Okay, guys, now that you're getting comfortable inside your 1 million ways to market 2.0 members area, guys, let's continue to rock and unlock the funnel. Okay, let's continue to move forward so that we can now get ready for the next phase of actually starting to run traffic into our new Big Bennett marketing strategy marketing system. Now, hopefully you guys have been following along. Hopefully some of you guys have already got this set up. So as we unlock and rock this funnel, let's talk about a few more of the benefits that you're going to find inside of your members area, and specifically about some of the new banners I'm creating, a new toll-free 800 number that I'm going to start to include in some of the banners, and guys, very important step, setting up your very first list inside of your Leads Leap account. Now, whether or not you go on to become pro and create a follow-up email campaign in your autoresponder, or you just want to remain at the free level and be able to set up one list that you can broadcast each and every day, doesn't matter. It's going to be very important that as you're starting to build your list, you're able to continue to correspond with that list. And you can do that either at the free account inside of Leads Leap or the pro membership. Only difference being, as a free member, you will not be able to set up a follow-up email campaign. You will, however, be able to broadcast your list anytime you want, and you still will be able to build a list of subscribers with no limit. Of course, on the pro side, you guys will be able to set up as many lists as you want to. You can set up follow-up email campaigns inside of those lists. And of course, guys, you know that you can actually do the same thing just in terms of building a list of unlimited subscribers. Okay, guys, so let's jump right in front of the first video, guys. And what I want to talk about in this video is actually some of the banners and why you guys really want to stay plugged into your members area as I start to unlaunch the actual 1-800 number, a toll-free number that our prospects are actually going to be able to actually call. And it's simply designed to get our prospects even more pumped up with a number they can call. And it's going to put a little sizzle call. I think I'm going to let my wife record it. We're kind of going back and forth. I'm going to have some professional actual recordings done as well, and this is just to help you get further along even faster. So whatever you do, guys, keep your eyes on your members area and on my YouTube videos, because when this unlocks, which will probably be in a couple of days, then you'll be able to use this banner in conjunction with the 1-800 number, and that's gonna definitely be something that you guys may definitely want to check into and use in your marketing, and to get yourself going even faster, guys. So next, what I want to talk about, guys, are the new banners that I'm creating, because I continue to put banners inside of the actual download area where you guys can download these free banners, and you actually just seen one of them with the 1-800 number. So I'm creating all kinds of banners that's going to really stand out, really be able to get the attention of your prospects, really make it a lot simpler and easier to actually converge, should I say, as people are coming through our funnels, guys. Okay, we want to make this as simple and as easy as a process as it possibly can, just all automation. And so you guys continue to check your download banners areas, because these banners are going up all the time. I just wanted you to know, guys, I'm working on all kinds of designs, colors. We're going to continue with imagery, guys, because that's the first thing that people see, and we're going to really get up front and close and personal with a lot of the people coming onto our list. The other thing I want to talk about that's going to be available to you guys is what I designed, and in the process was designing a couple of more. I think I got about 6 now, are video sales letters for the Big Bennett marketing strategy. Now, as I'm building the pages, I'm actually changing the actual thumbnails out. So you guys are going to see all this really will reflect the 2.0 version of the Big Bennett marketing strategy, guys, inside your 1 million ways to market membership area. And so you guys will also be able to request a sales letter that highlights just about all of the different benefits that's inside of the members area. And of course, I'm going to plug a promotional video inside of this frame. And again, you guys will be able to have this particular video sales letter redirect to where you want it to redirect to, guys. In my instance, of course, you guys know I use Cash App and Zelle. But when I create these pages for you guys, you just tell me what you want me to put down here. If you want to get a little more personal, you can shoot your own video. Shoot me over the video. I'll pop it in here for you. And you're welcome to use this video sales page in your marketing as well, right? Now, guys, the last thing I'm going to talk about in this particular video, and it's very important, and we talked about it, is logging into your Leads Leap account and setting up a list. Now, as you guys come through each of the marketing systems, you're going to see instructions on setting up your list. It's a very simple process, but it's very important that you do it. And that's why I say that to lead with, and that's why I'm ending in with this particular part of this video, is because I want you guys to do that. I want you to log into your actual Leads Leap account, and I'm going to show you guys how we're going to do that. I'm going to click here. You can click here right from the members area and go to your Leads Leap account. And when you do, I'm just going to show you guys just how simple it is to set up an actual list. Okay, so when you log in, you'll log in just like I'm logging in, guys, and you'll be in your Leads Leap dashboard and inside of your members area. And from the left hand side of your screen, you simply want to scroll down to email marketing. Okay, we use an autoresponder known as SendSteed. That's the contact management system. I'm going to show you guys the autoresponder, and you'll simply be inside of email marketing, where you'll find your email series. You'll find the list manager, which is where we're going to go. And remember, I mentioned broadcast, and you guys will be able to go in here and actually walk through and see, just set up a broadcast to email your list anytime you want, the whole list, segments of your list. You can do whatever you want to do there. But let's go inside the list manager in this video, guys. Let's talk specifically about creating this list, because again, you'll find additional training on doing this inside of your actual marketing system as well, because depending on how you guys are coming through, I want you guys to be able to get this on both ends of this actual funnel, and I want it to be housed inside of the members area, of course. So when you're in Leads Leap, you're inside of your list manager, and to create a new list is as simple as coming to your list manager, right? And when you come down to email marketing, you go inside your list manager, which is where I am now, and you're just going to add a new list. Click that and add a new list. Very simple. And once you do that, guys, what I want you guys to do is I want you to come to the left-hand side if you add that new list, and you look off to the left, and in a little minute, you'll be able to see that we just added a new list. It's just that simple, guys. Okay, I added a new list, and I called it Add a New List. Now, the actual list name, well, let me stop that right there for a minute. Okay, so add a new list. Where's the new list we just added? I just added this one the other day. I just named this list. Very simple, right? So that's the list I created. When you guys do that, come over to the right. If it's inactive, guys, go ahead on and click and make it active. Okay, wait a minute. Let me say this right. Activate this list right there. Go ahead on and make it active. Activate the list, because once you've activated the list, then you're going to be able to go inside and actually start writing up a list. If that's something that you want to do. So I have, in fact, I should have activated the list by now. Let me go back down to my list manager. Oh, let's go back to the list manager. Okay, we are back inside of the list manager, guys. Now, when I want to go in and change these lists and do different things to these lists, right? What I want to do, guys, is come down to the actual emails inside of my, inside of that email marketing. When you're inside of there, you got email series, you got all of these things that you can do in here, right? So if you hit email series, any emails that you write up as a pro member, they'll be housed inside of here, guys. You can go in and edit them just like you would be able to do in GetResponse or either Aweber or any of the other autoresponders. And so it's a very simple process, although I'm going to include some additional videos on it inside of your members area, probably further along in the video training. But here's what we're going to talk about today, guys. When we talk about going down to that email, let's go back to the list manager. Let's take a look at it. Now that you've added that new list and you want to activate that list, let's see, this is where you can create a list and set up autoresponder and follow up email series. We just talked about all of that stuff, right? I know I activated the list, and so this is where you would come for list customization, right? So when you get ready to go in here and you want to there's your list name, you want to go ahead and write up a follow-up email, guys, you would come down here and put your details in the senders, just follow along with the template, and it's going to show you how to set up that very first email inside of your list manager, right? And when it's all said and done, guys, you will actually be able to start going inside of that list, whatever list it is you created, and start sending emails to everybody that's on your list, right? So you got, you can do a design, you can do all those cool things. Now, here's an important note, and you guys are going to learn. It says you just get inside the list manager and start doing and following along. Up here on the right is a tutorial. It will walk you guys through any problems that you may have. I know I mentioned that support is second to none. You guys can email support with any problems and issues that you might have, but the tutorial up here will walk you guys through the simple process of getting that list set up. Very, very, very important. And guys, my super bonus for you guys coming in, one of the other super bonuses is the actual 7-figure 30-day email swipe file, guys. Okay, so as you start to build that list, I'm going to jump over and show you the 30-day or the 7-figure 30-day email swipe file. You know, it's a 30-day email series that you guys can actually use to start sending out in your broadcast or in your follow-up emails. And I'm going to show you guys that right now. Okay, guys, in this video, this particular section of this video, I actually sat in on a multi 7-figure earners webinar. I wish to sit in on these webinars with him quite often. Ego Keith is his name. I don't know if you guys are familiar with him, but for sitting in on those webinars, I'm partnered with Ego on a couple of other programs. Ego was actually gave me a 30-day email swipe, right? And so inside of that swipe, let me make sure I'm on this page, guys, so you guys get to see this. I mean, I want to make sure you guys get to download this right now. So inside of that that actual webinar I sat in on, one of the gifts that Eagle just gave everybody for sitting in was a 30-day email swipe. And you can use this to promote anything, by the way, guys, okay? And I mentioned coming in that these emails are actually professionally written emails. I think Eagle, the price value was over $5,000, I believe he paid for these 30 emails. And they're sort of those type of emails. They're kind of psychology-based emails. Lots of psychology built into the actual email series itself. So you guys are welcome to go and download that file and look at some of those emails and start using them in your marketing, either in your follow-up email campaign or as broadcast. But make sure, guys, as you start to use them, change them up a little bit, right? Be creative, okay, guys? You know, use them to speak to your particular perspective and your particular lifestyle, your particular experience. You know, edit them out a little bit. You know what I mean? Make them become your own. But by all means, make sure you download them, guys, and actually use those emails, because you really want to make sure that you are checking. You know, that's something that you want to start using, right? Very, very powerful. So now that we got all that out of the way, guys, it's time to continue to rock the funnel, guys. So I'll meet you guys on the next video. We're going to talk about unlocking and what you guys should be doing right now, particularly if you have your automated marketing system all set up. If not, continue to watch through the videos, guys, and always keep your eyes out on the left-hand side of your screen, or depending on how you came in, and all the different resources that you guys now have instant access to. What does that mean? That means that once our actual marketing systems are all set up, all we have to do is use those resources to actually start driving traffic into the funnel or funnels of your choice, right? And then we let the system do all the work, right? All the heavy lifting, 24/7, 365. Thanks for sitting in on the video, guys. I'll meet you guys in the next video, and I can't wait to see you there.